Hello there, and let me add my welcome to Agile Development using Ruby on Rails Basic course. I'm Sam Joseph, Associate Professor of Computer Science at Hawaii Pacific University and co-founder of Agile Ventures, a UK-based coding charity. I just want to say thanks to Dave and Armando for making their UC Berkeley course available through edX. They've put so much hard work into it. We really appreciate what they've made possible here. Yes, but here we are. It's week 0. Hopefully you've already completed the background steps in week -1. We're here. The course is still just sort of building up. We've got a few more resources for you this week. If you haven't used edX much before, do check out the edX demo course. We've got a link here. We've also got some reviews and refresher material to version control, bash commands, git immersion, and so on. These are all things that students have had trouble with in the past. Also, we've got the second half of Ruby on Code Academy. Previous versions of the course have made it clear that these are all areas that students need to brush up on in order to get the best out of the rest of the course. Also, do check out the syllabus. We've got full details of everything that's going on. You've got 5 programming assignments, which are the critical components, really. I'd say that the programming is the most important part of the course, and you are going to have to at least try pair programming in order to pass this course. More details on that next week. We've got a few quizzes, the lowest scoring quiz being dropped. It does require 65% to get a certificate. Do check out the whole syllabus there, full details of when the different parts of the course are going to be released. So I think we've just about covered the week 0 materials there. We've also got some forms after the videos where we ask you for consent to use the data that we collect from you, anonymized and de-identified, of course. If you're happy to let us use your anonymized data for research to improve the course, we'd love to have your consent for that. So another thing to draw your attention to is getting set up with a coding environment for the course. We've got a link there to the textbook, of which I'm the editor, so naturally I'm biased, but I think it's definitely worth having the book, although it's not required for the course. But what you will want to do is to get set up with the software for the course. Do check out also the students section, where you'll see we've got links to various resources in there. But we've also got these virtual machine or VM instructions, and we are now going with Cloud9 as the recommended setup. They've really come on as a hosting service. I've got my SaaS book Ruby Cloud9 workspace. We've now done all aspects of the entire textbook and the course on Cloud9, and it all works, and I'm personally very impressed with their service. You do need to have a reasonably fast internet connection, but I strongly recommend going with Cloud9. We've still got some information about the other ways that you can get set up with the course software. However, I think you will generally find Cloud9 is the path of least resistance. But if you are adventurous, do feel to try out some of the alternatives like Amazon EC2. We've also got lots and lots of volunteer teaching assistants. We've had over 150 students go through our TA training course, the AV102, and you'll see them active in the discussion forum, which you can find here through this link. So do say hello to the TAs there. We really appreciate the great hard work from the TAs, who are all volunteers helping you with your learning process. Yes, we've also got a live chat that's available in this one page here, and so you can see the chat going on there. So if you're in the discussion forum and you aren't able to necessarily completely articulate what you want to say, or maybe you're not getting exactly what you want, then do also try out the real-time chat. Different people have different preferences about whether they want to be chatting in real time or they want to be posting to a forum. Feel free to use both of these. We've got teaching assistants monitoring both the forums, and they'll be doing their best to help you. Yeah, once again, thanks so much to everybody who puts in a volunteer effort in the course. We also have certificates now for those TAs. Feel free to ask any of the TAs about the AV102 course, which is the Agile Ventures course for training TAs, and I'm sure they'll tell you all about it. We've also got the Wiki. And the Wiki now starts afresh with every course in order to keep it up to date. Anybody can edit any of these pages, so you can use this as a space to collect additional resources, and we'll make sure that they also get passed on into other parts of the course. You can see your progress here. What I would say is, don't suffer in silence. If you get stuck on anything at all, have a go. 20 minutes, I think, is a good rule for trying to get something to work. But then post on the discussion, the chat. And there's other great forums online like Stack Overflow and so on. Do ask for help. And do have great fun in the course. And I'm looking forward to speaking to you again next week about more of the structure of the course and how the pair programming will work. All right, bye for now.